Hello, good morning to all. Namaste. I am from India. My name is Mr. Satish Gore. International Journal of Science and Research IJSR ISSN 23 19 70 64. A ResearchGate Impact Factor 2018 0.28, SJIF 2018 7.426. ISRO first Indian spaceship soft lander for Chandrayaan 3. The law of anti-gravity 10D rocket system researched by Mr. Satish Gore. Which is the next step on the moon? Chandrayaan 3. India is the best. ISRO success mission 2020 or 2021. Here is one Facebook link address. You can watch this later. Copyright for only ISRO, ISRO. Just imagination. Chandrayaan 3, India's first advanced anti-gravity functional lander system. Ramayana Pushpak Vision Third Eye. First Indian anti-gravity technology spacecraft Pushpak Chandrayaan 2. One step to 100% success. 100% successful soft lander system. The Pushpak spacecraft on the top does not affect the gravitational force of the planets. The request by the Indian government to find the Pushpak spacecraft, the speed can be reduced as little as much as desired. Only India can take the entire space. Many congratulations to Prime Minister and Indian scientists for Chandrayaan 2. Number 1. Indian Floral Space. Chandrayaan 3, India's first advanced anti-gravity functional lander system. Ramayana Pushpak Vision Third Eye. Number 1. Point number 1. First Indian anti-gravity technology spacecraft Pushpak will have 50 rockets in the interior. This will be used to speed up and speed down or speed off the rocket and speed slow of the lander. Point number 2. No gravitational force will be adversely affected on the head of the soft lander. Point number 3. The speed of the spaceship can be 2 meters per second. Point number 4. We can create and reduce anti-gravity force by using 10D rocket system. We can control the speed of spacecraft and change its direction at any time. Use automatic computers and robots, command system, radar system, video telecast system. The first Indian gravity controller anti-gravity. Rule number 1. The first rule of Satish Gore. Can gravitational force is to keep the force of the moving object in the opposite side direction in order to control the speed of any moving object. Number 2. The second law of gravity controller anti-gravity of Satish Gore. The force should be increased in the opposite direction given to increase the speed. You can do more with the force of the direction of the original direction. The speed can be controlled. Rule number 3. The third law of gravity controller of Satish Mahadev Gore. The gravitational force also works as well. The opposite gravitational force also works. The law of stability by conquering gravity by anti-gravity, applying the same force over an object in 10 direction, the object remains constant in the sky. Basis Newton's theory of gravity, F equal to ma. Satyameva Jayate, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, based on Satyartha Ramayana, Sri Valmiki Ramayana, modern science, gravity and anti-gravity rules. We can create and reduce anti-gravity force in the space with a 10D technology rocket system. Thanks home. ISRO versus NASA. ISRO 5 stars. First Indian anti-gravity Chandrayaan 3 soft lander system. The first Indian gravity controller. The law of anti-gravity research by Mr. Satish Mahadev Gore. If a soft lander is going with a force of 10, it will move east to force it to move west. 20 rockets should be activated. 20 minus 20 equal to 10. Now this same soft lander will have to travel west with a force of 10 instead of east. Rockets west of this soft lander were operated by 10 forces. If they are slowing down the west sides, here are some examples. You can watch this later. Examples: if a soft lander goes east with a force of 10, using it to move west, 20 forcing rocket should be activated. 20 minus 10 equal to 10. Now the same soft lander will have to travel west, a force of 10 instead of east. 0 minus 0 equal to 0, 1 minus 1 equal to 0, 2 minus 2 equal to 0. 3 minus 3 equal to 0, 4 minus 4 equal to 0, 5 minus 5 equal to 0, 6 minus 6 equal to 0, 7 minus 7 equal to 0, 8 minus 8 equal to 0, 9 minus 9 equal to 0, 10 minus 10 equal to 0. 0 is the constant of speed at the point neutral, the law of stability. Gravity effects on every object around the planet of limited distance. F equal to mg. This solution you can watch this later. F equal to mg. This solution you can watch this later. To prove E equal to mc square, let us create a new formula. Np equal to c square into z. Earth's Np 3 lakhs into 3 lakhs into 9.8 is 882 000 000. Moon's Np 3 lakhs into 3 lakhs into 1.62 equal to 145 800 000. This Np is Moon's CNP is 6 times less than Earth, and Earth's CNP is 6 times greater than NP of Moon. So, E equal to MC square is 100% correct. Surface gravity of the planets and the Sun. Sun 274, Jupiter 24.92, Neptune 11.15, Saturn 10.44, Earth 9.8, Uranus 8.87, Venus 8.87, Mars 3.71, Mercury 3.7, Moon 1.62, Pluto 0.58. Let us create another formula. Greater planet gravity divided by smaller planet gravity equal to greater planet NPAF equal to C square into G, G for gravity of any planet, divided by smaller planet NPAF equal to C square into G, Newton power attraction force. The meaning of NPAF is here Newton power attraction force. C square equal to 3 lakhs into 3 lakhs. Here C square is the speed of light per second kilometer. You can compare this with each mass in the universe. So E equal to mc square. The equation of Albert Einstein is the universal truth and supported by new researched formula NPAF equal to C square into G. Here G is for gravity, distance equal to speed into time. As you slow down the speed of the soft lander, speed will be 2 meters per second by Mr. Satish Gore. Reference website https en wikipedia.organization.wiki.theory of relativity. Author's profile. My profile. My name is Satish Mahadev Gore at post Bansarola, Taluka Case, District Bid, pin code 431518, Maharashtra, India. My email address is goresatishim@gmail.com, goresatishim@gmail.com. My WhatsApp mobile number is 770967326. My mobile number is, you can call me on 770967326. My country name is India. My country code is 91. So, thank you for listening well. This is my latest research. Once again, I want to tell you what is the name of research. ISRO first Indian spaceship soft lander for Chandrayaan 3, the law of anti-gravity 10D rocket system researched by Mr. Satish Gore sir. Thanks to listen me well.